In this video, we will see how to use regular expression replace functionality in data preparation to find patterns and replace them using various examples. Regular expressions or regex is a sequence of characters that are used for pattern matching and find and replace on text inputs. For this demo, I'm going to use a dataset called customer profiles, which has customer details like name, email address, phone number, occupation, etc. In the Data Preparation tab, click Replace from Options menu of the column Occupation. Let's search for the text Manual and replace it with Worker. Let's match the partial values. You can see both partial and entire matches have been replaced. Now let's match entire values alone. You will see only the entire matches are replaced. Now let's see how to include multiple text in search using column English Education. Let's replace partial and degree with a blank. Type in partial or degree with a pipe symbol and use regular expression. You can see partial and degree are replaced with blank. Now let's see how to obfuscate the phone numbers with regular expressions. Let's search for one or more digits with the \d plus and replace it with XXX and use regular expression. You can see the phone numbers are obfuscated now. Let's see how to use back references using regex. Click Replace from the menu of email address. And let's input regex pattern for the email address with email handle first and then the domain with parenthesis. Now let's use the first part as back reference with $1 and use regular expression. You can see the email IDs are replaced with handles. Now let's see how to insert some text before or after the regex matches. Let's click Replace from the column menu of Job Level. And let's write a regex pattern for alphabets first and the numbers next. Let's use two parts of the text separated by _000 and use regular expression. You can see the changes in the job level. Thanks for watching the video.